Hello guys, welcome to the Ballerina language server video series. So in this video series we will be talking about Ballerina language server, how features like completions, code actions, renaming, go to def, those work. And after watching the video series you will be able to add new features such as new code actions, improvements to completions, and stuff like that, and also you'll be able to fix any bugs you find in this amazing open source project called Ballerina. So let's go to the Ballerina website. So just go to ballerina.io. You can find a lot of details about Ballerina. Also please check out Ballerina low code editor, and yeah, just go through the page, and there is a playground and learn pages and Ballerina Central for downloading packages. Just pay a visit, and yes. So let's go to download page, and you can download uh, in whatever the platform you are in. And I'm using a MacBook and I have installed this Mac OS. So first download the Ballerina language, and then since we are working on Ballerina language server, so this is the Ballerina repo, and inside of that you can find the language server. You can see also Ballerina shell and the compiler and stuff like that as well. So yeah, so let's just go to language server, and here you can see the hover, signature help, and code action, stuff like that. So before we jump into Ballerina language server, we need to install the code from source. So first of all you might have to clone the repo. All these are inside this site pages. You can go to build Ballerina from source, and yeah, you need to have Java. And so since this is an open source project, we are using OpenJDK, and just set up these things and you can clone the repo and build it from source. Alright, so I have already cloned the Ballerina language, and inside that you can see the language server package. Yeah, so then we'll go to the marketplace to check out uh, the VS Code plugin. So this is a Ballerina extension for uh, VS Code, and I have already installed it. So I just go through it again, just search for Ballerina and just install. You can find more details in the details page as well. So the low code view and all. So let's just restart, and here you can see the low code view. And yeah, so the next thing is creating a project from Ballerina. So you can use these bal commands. Since I have already installed Ballerina, I can access these bal. So if you see right over here, there's a command called new, and it's for creating a new Ballerina package. So let's clear this off, and if you go on and type bal new project, you can get a new project like this. And let's run the project. So you will not be having these files when you create the project. You'll have this project like this, the main.bal with the hello world code and the Ballerina toml, and these will be generated automatically. You can bal build let's ls, Okay, it should be a capital S. Okay, so I'm inside let's ls. So let's go back and bell run. Let's ls. All right. Okay, now you can see the code is working, and the code generates these two files, this dependencies.toml and this folder. You don't have to worry about these files yet. And yeah, so this is bell run command. You can also build it and then run bell build test ls. Yeah, so that's about Ballerina running a hello world program. So in the next video, let's go through. So this is uh, hover feature. So this is the this is a code action. Likewise, you can let's go through these features in the next video. Until then, goodbye.